it's Phil from PT Precision here again. Got a another Silverado Z71. So this one's a brand new vehicle. It's got 3,000 Ks on it. It's a 2023 model. I've seen some people have had conflicting information about their suspension on these cars. They rode like shit. People were saying, I'm saying about the Rancho shocks that they come with. So quite easy to tell if you get underneath your car. They're white. They got Rancho written all over them. They go in the bin. Like they're cactus. Yeah. If you've got those on your Silverado, throw it in the bin. They come on the GMCs and the other vehicles. I don't know why they put them on these things. I think they're a terrible shock. It's my personal opinion. I don't even go at Rancho, but they should be on a Mazda 323. Yeah, not on this kind of vehicle. So we obviously are a reseller for the Walkinshaw products. Walkinshaw have manufactured a shock and damper with Munro. They're a patented brand. You can't go to Munro and buy these shocks. It has to be through the Walkinshaw stuff. But it dramatically changes the ride. As it rides with the Ranchos, it's like the Manly Ferry. It's bouncing all over the place. It's unstable. People say it swerves. It's horrible to drive. This thing rides like a normal car now. We'll take it for a drive. I'll do a few swerves and that. But I don't know why they put those things on there, but honestly, do yourself a favour and get some different shocks other than these white Ranchos on there. Let's go for a drive. Woo! Oh, feels so good already, this thing. It's so different. I should have videoed before and after, but that is perfect. Look at that. Straight, I'll hit this ditch here. Boom, boom. Perfect, mate. This thing is unreal. I've got a speed bump here. Now the bloody council put a speed bump in, pedestrian bump. I'll go over that. That is unreal. That is absolutely spot on. Mate, people who harass and say bad things about, you know, those Walkinshaw shocks and that. I mean, I know I'm bad-mouthing the Rancho, but, you know, I'm driving those, I'm feeling them. I know exactly what they feel like. If anyone asks me and I say, have you got white shocks on underneath, does it say Rancho? And they say yes, because they're complaining about how the car rides. I said, throw those in the bin. I don't care whether you put Walkinshaw or another branded type of shock on it. I know we've been working with Walkinshaw and they've got it. They've really got a good product for these vehicles. So, and everyone I've fitted them to so far have been absolutely raving about it. They come in a standard height, and then you can buy a 2-inch upgraded height as well for the springs and the rear leaf springs and that. But this thing here, it feels like a normal car. Like it's really changed the dynamics of the vehicle. These are brand new. Yeah, why should you have to spend the money to go putting new shocks on a new car? Like, come on, that should be a warranty issue, but you're not going to get it. Yeah. It's pretty fancy, this thing though. They've upgraded all the dash and everything. It's like a Mercedes, but not a Mercedes. But I mean, wow, well, that's pretty fancy. I don't own one, but geez, it's nice and quiet. You can't hear a thing. The exhaust system on these things too is terrible. We do the Walkinshaw exhaust, which completely changes the car again, and then you know you've got a V8. Here's this bump. How good's that? All right, well there you go. That's food for thought for you guys, yeah?